Your gums are throbbing and you notice a bit of blood in the sink every morning. You're worried about a massive dentist bill, so you start scrolling for a solution. Suddenly, a miracle gel appears on your screen promising to fix everything while you sleep. It claims to be a bioactive formula that uses 0.2% hyaluronic acid to mend your mouth overnight. It sounds like cutting-edge science. It feels like the answer to your prayers. But when you start pulling back the curtain, the whole thing starts to feel a bit thin. Let's look at the visuals, because pictures usually tell the real story. Instead of original photos of the actual product being used, you see images that look like they were grabbed straight from a generic internet search. If a company is actually manufacturing a revolutionary medical product, why are they using someone else's stock photos? It makes you wonder if they are just putting a new label on a generic tube of goo. Transparency is everything in healthcare. Then you see that massive 65% discount. It is designed to create a frantic need to buy right now before the deal disappears. High-pressure sales tactics like that are almost always a red flag. They want you to click the checkout button before you have time to think. They claim this stuff stops bleeding in just 72 hours. They say it can actually tighten loose gum pockets and reduce sensitivity almost instantly. These are massive medical promises. If a gel could really replace private dental treatment at a tiny fraction of the cost, every dentist would be out of work. They would be gone by next Tuesday. Where are the clinical trials? Where is the peer-reviewed data? You will not find it anywhere. They even drop a specific name of a doctor who supposedly developed the formula. But try looking this person up. You will not find a professional profile or any published research papers. It is like they do not exist. It is a classic move to invent an expert to gain a little bit of unearned trust. I checked the major independent review sites too. There is absolutely nothing out there. No real people are sharing their results or their warnings. For a product that claims to be a breakthrough, that silence is deafening. It is hard to verify if this is even safe for your mouth. Your health is way too important to gamble on a mystery gel from a flashy social media ad. Always talk to a real dental professional who has a license you can actually verify. Don't let a slick marketing campaign lure you into a bad decision. This feels more like a clever sales trap than a medical miracle. Hyaluronic acid has some benefits in certain contexts. That does not mean a random gel can magically rebuild your gum tissue. The claims are just way too extreme to ignore. They say it costs 99% less than professional care. That is a wild statistic to throw around without a single study to back it up. Stay skeptical and keep your money in your pocket until you see real evidence from a source you can actually trust. One final thought is to always check the return policy on these sites. Often they make it impossible to get your money back once you realize the product does not work. Protect your wallet and your smile.